Morning students, today I discuss the topic electromagnetic energy or Poynting theorem. Electromagnetic potential energy UE equal to half volume integral of E dot d into dv, and energy stored in a magnetic field is UM equal to half volume integral of H dot b into dv. Maxwell equation in differential form for non-static conditions rho will be 0. Then Maxwell equations are divergence D equal to 0, divergence B equal to 0, curl E equal to minus del B over del T, and curl H equal to J plus del D over del T. Taking scalar product of equation 5 with H and equation 6 with E, we get H curl E equal to minus H del B over del T and E curl H equal to JE plus E del D over del T. Then subtract now subtracting equation 8 from equation 7, we get H curl E minus E curl H equal to minus H del B over del T minus J dot E minus E del D over del T. Then H curl E minus E curl H equal to minus H del B over del T plus E del D over del T minus J dot E. Using vector identity, this is divergence A cross B, and divergence A cross B is equal to B curl A minus A curl B, and divergence E cross H equal to H curl E minus E curl H. Then in equation 9, this is H curl E minus E curl H becomes divergence E cross H. Then divergence E cross H equal to minus H del B over del T plus E del D over del T minus J dot E if the medium is linear, which means B equal to mu H or D equal to epsilon E. Then RHS equation 10 can be written as E del D over del T equal to E del upon del T epsilon E equal to half epsilon del upon del T E square, and this is del upon del T half E dot D, and H del B over del T becomes del upon del T half H dot B. Using these relationships, equation 10 takes the form divergence E cross H equal to minus del upon del T half E dot D plus del upon del T half H dot B minus J dot E, or divergence E cross H equal to minus del upon del T half E dot D plus H dot B minus J. Taking integrating equation 12 over volume V bounded by a surface, thus volume integral of divergence E cross H into dV equal to minus volume integral of d upon dt half E dot D plus H dot B into dV minus volume integral of J dot E into dV. Using Gauss divergence theorem in equation 13 in RHS, then surface integral of E cross H into ds equal to minus d upon dt volume integral of half E dot D plus H dot B into dV minus volume integral of J dot E into dV, then minus volume integral of J dot E into dV minus d upon dt volume integral of half E dot D plus H dot B into dV minus surface integral of E cross H into ds. Then interpretation of volume integral of J dot E into dV. Let us consider a charged particle Q moving with velocity v under the combined effect of mechanical, electric and magnetic forces. The electromagnetic force due to a field vector E and B acting on a charged particle is F equal to Q into E plus V cross B, as the magnetic force Q dot V cross B is perpendicular to velocity, hence magnetic field does not work. For a single charge Q, the rate of doing work by electromagnetic field E and B is dW upon dt equal to F dot V, and this is Q into E plus V cross B equal to QEV. If Fm is the mechanical force, then work done by mechanical force against electromagnetic field vectors per unit time, this is dWm over del T equal to Fmv, and this is minus F dot V equal to minus Q dot E into V. If the electromagnetic field consists of a group of charges moving with different velocity, this is Ni charge. Ni charge carries each of charge Qi moving with velocity Vi, where I equal to 1 to 3. Then the equation third becomes del Wm over del T equal to minus sigma I Ni Qi Vi dot Ei. In the case of current density, this is J equal to sigma I Ji, and this is sigma I Ni Qi Vi. Then dWm over del T equal to minus sigma I Ji into Ei minus J dot E. Then this equation represent the power density that is transferred into electromagnetic field. Then interpretation of d upon dt half E dot d plus H dot b into dV. Volume integral of half E dot d into dV equal to UE. This is electrostatic potential energy in volume V. And volume integral of half H dot b into dV, this is This is magnetic energy in volume V. Then U equal to volume integral of half E dot d plus H dot b into dV represent the potential energy of electromagnetic field. Obviously, half E dot d plus H dot b represent energy density of electromagnetic field. Then U equal to half E dot d plus H dot b. Then the term d upon dt integration of half E dot d plus H dot b into dV represent the rate of change of electromagnetic energy stored in volume V. Then interpretation of surface integral E cross H into ds. The surface integral of E cross H over a closed surface represent the amount of electromagnetic energy crossing the closed surface per second. The vector E cross H equal to S is known as Poynting vector, and Poynting vector S equal to E cross H. Then the equation 14 can be represented minus J dot E equal to del U over del T equal to del dot S. This statement of conservation of energy in electromagnetism and is known as Poynting theorem. Thank you.